Welcome to wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi. We have this question here. Find a cubic polynomial whose zeros are 2 minus 10 and 6 by 7. Now, when zeros are x equal to 2 and x equal to minus 10, the factors will and x equal to 6 by 7. Factors of given polynomial will be like this: x minus 2 equal to 0, x minus 2, x plus 10 and 7x minus 6 by factor theorem. Therefore, what we can say is we can construct given polynomial. Therefore, x minus 2 multiplied by x plus 10 multiplied by 7x minus 6 is given polynomial. Therefore, let's see what we have. X minus 2 multiplied by x plus 10. We'll do this multiplication first. So x square minus 2x plus 10x minus 20 multiplied by 7x minus 6, which is equal to x square plus 8x minus 20 multiplied by 7x minus 6. So this will be 7x cube plus 56x square and minus 6x square. Then we have minus 120x and and 8 6 we have minus 48x, and then constant term here is, let's see, minus 20 minus 6. So when they are multiplied, what we have is plus 120. So that will be 7x cube plus 50x square minus this is not 120, this is 140. 20 multiplied by 7 is 140. So this is 140x, which is equal to minus 188x plus 120. So this is given polynomial. So let's look at the options. Yes, answer is option B.